Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today, after watching England lose in the finals last night, yeah, Spain were just a better side, let's be honest. They were a better side and yeah, they deserve to win, I suppose. Let's just say that. Anyway, football's over. We can now carry on and concentrate with our normal lives. So today I am going to continue with this little Peugeot 108. I have got some bits and pieces for this car now, so we can really start rebuilding it, putting it back together and doing what we need to do to it. So let's get into it. Let's do this. So guys, yeah, we're going to be working on this Peugeot 108 today. A lot of little bits and pieces to sort out and do. I have got some parts, as you can see. Got a second-hand, not second-hand, we've got a brand new wing for here, but it obviously needs painting both sides. I am going to paint the other side and then fit the wing and let the painter do this side, because he's also got to do this seal and the quarter as well. So once he can do that wing, I don't know if he's got to blend it into that door because it's black. It might be all right. But he'll take it round, do the seal, do the quarter as well. So yeah, quite a bit. Actually, there is quite a bit of painting to do on this car. So, but yeah, let's just see how far we get today. Got some brackets as well. These are the wing brackets that go to the bumper, and they kind of just sit. These ones here. See these ones here. It was cheaper to get actually two rather than just get the one. So I've got a set. So, you know, down the line in the future, you never know. I might need that extra one. So that's that. Got the headlight as well. That's turned up, so that's good. New brakes, discs and pads for the front. That's turned up. I've ordered actually I've actually ordered it online, a service kit for this car. That hasn't turned up quite yet. And the what else? Oh, the crash bar hasn't turned up yet. So a few things haven't, but a few things have. So we can just crack on today, do as much as we can, get this wing on, get it painted, get it on, and then just see how far we get. So let's get the car over there. I'll set you up. Let's do this. Right, okay, so there we go. Going backs and forwards, removing the brakes, discs and pads, and then getting this wing painted both sides. Yeah, so I'm just sort of giving it a coat on the other side, then done some brake work. I'm not blowing any dust around because brake dust, I don't want it to stick to the wing, stuff like that. So I'm not causing too much dust. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it down really, sort of, to see, yeah, how it goes. But both sides are now been had sort of 2 or 3 coats of primer. So that's all sorted. Now we're going to spin it over and we're going to paint it black on the inside and these leading edges as well. So that once you fit it, he's then just got to skim paint this front end of the wing. And I'm happy that it's painted on the other side because, you know, really, I like to know that and show that it is actually being painted on the other side, because a lot of people just throw these wings on new, don't key them up, don't paint the other side, and end up just rusting out within, you know, a couple of years. So we want to make sure that this is going to last as long as possible. So to do that, you've really got to get them primed up yeah, base coated, and really sort of painted up well. So that's that. Taken off the discs and pads off both sides now. You just see me do that. Look at the difference between the new ones and the old ones. Absolutely crazy. So they was definitely needed to be done. They're just far too low, and that's why the discs are starting to you know, get this. Where's the disc? Oh, it's up here. That's why the discs are just that to me is too much of a lip. I don't mind a little bit of a lip, but that is too much. And you know, it's just not good. It's just not good to leave it like it. So I think, the discs are just all over the place. Like there's gouges all the way around it here. It's just horrible. So it's nice for the new owner to know that they've got new discs and pads on the front, plus obviously MOT. It's not going to cause any issues, you know. He's not going to say anything about it because they're done. So look how low these ones are on the other side. So yeah, good job on changing in a minute. So there we go. Right, okay, so let's get set back up. We're going to be painting that on the inside, and then we're going to be putting the discs and pads on this, and just see how far we get today. Hopefully we get quite a bit done, but let's continue. Let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, there we go. New discs and pads, all clean, all done. Yeah, so that's one more thing done on this car. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to move on to the service part of it. So oil change, oil filter, air filter, get that done. Nice and easy, the oil filter, look, just there. So we will work on that next, and then after that we're going to move on with the wing, get the wing fitted in place, get all the gaps correct where it should be compared to the other side, and then just keep going for today. Let's just see how far we get, but I think next thing is going to be service. So I'll set you up, let's get cracking, let's do this. Right, okay, so what a mess of this. Look at this water, look. I've never seen anything like it. It's like a luminous green, yellow in the washer bottle. I removed the washer bottle because I was just trying to work out, you know, I'm trying to line it all up and get things done. The wing is in place. The gaps are absolutely spot on where it should be. These bolts are done up. This one here, the one inside there, and the one at the bottom there. So these three are done up, but I've left off these two at the minute, which is there, which I need to line up still, and there at the back there. So because I'm just trying to sort of see how it all lines up, and it's not bad. It's getting there, slowly getting there, but I've had to remove the bracket that goes here because something is wrong here, whether or not it's that bracket that's been moved and squashed or moved about, but something's wrong there. So I've gone back to putting the headlight in place because this hasn't moved, so I know that bolt's going to be all right for the headlight, and that bolt there for the headlight. So if I get those two in place and line up the wing from the bolt here, which again, it's not quite lining up, I don't know why. So then I can get the gap right here. So it's a case of just, you know, keep moving, keep checking, keep lining things up, and keep sort of, you know, something. There's always something that moves something. So you've got to play around with it quite a lot. Plus, obviously, I've got to close the bonnet and get the bonnet lined up so the gaps are both the same, both sides. So, yeah, but it's getting there, guys. You know, we are getting there with this one. But I have run out of time today. So I'm going to leave it there. Going to call it a day. I don't think we're going to be getting on this one tomorrow. I think I've got a new project coming in tomorrow. I say think because I'm not collecting it. Someone's collecting it for me. It's over in Sandwich in Kent, and it's cheap. It's a lot quicker and cheaper for someone to collect that car for me. I found someone to do them from Sandwich to me for a very, very reasonable price. So it just makes sense to pay someone to do that and collect them for me. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll all work out. He's going to collect it today and then bring it to me tomorrow morning, and we're going to jump on that new project straight away because the logbooks with the car, it's not a lot of damage, and we can just really sort of flip and turn that one around quick. So yeah, but for today and for now on this Peugeot 108, that is it. We are done. Just quickly before I go, the power puller has turned up from Sealy. It's not direct from them, and I had to pay for it. So it's not, I'm not sponsored by them or nothing like that. But it is a Sealy one, power puller. And we are going to use this on the other Peugeot, the 308, on the rear end. We can do that now. But for now, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care. See you soon.